Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make collard green soup. Begin by washing 1 lb collards and chopping stems out, then sauté 1 onion and 3 cloves garlic until translucent. Add 2 diced carrots and 2 potatoes, pour in 6 cups broth, and add a bay leaf. Simmer 20 to 30 minutes, mash or blend some for body, season with salt, pepper, and a splash of vinegar to finish. Gather your ingredients and set a comfortable mise in place so cooking flows smoothly. Chop collards into 1-inch ribbons and keep stems separate for longer cooking. Dice potatoes into uniform pieces so they soften at the same time. Heat oil, sweat onion and garlic until fragrant, then add carrots and stems to soften. Add broth and potatoes, cover, and simmer gently until everything is tender and flavorful. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I love the simple path to wealth as a fun brains snack about money, kind of like learning to stretch a pot of soup into several meals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick it up if you want a short life-changing read. Now let's get back to the video. Treat the soup like a building of layers, starting with aromatics to anchor flavor and ending with a bright finish. Use medium heat to avoid bitter greens and simmer covered to let starches release and thicken the broth. For a silkier mouthfeel, remove a cup and blend, then stir back in. Keep chunks for texture. Taste and finish with vinegar or lemon, adjust salt, and serve hot with bread or a simple protein.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.